Good morning, dear students. As your summative assessment 2 is yet to be start from next week onwards. So this week you are going to have a revision session of each and every subject of twice. So let us recall the social studies subjects. So for what we have covered, the portions which are there for your essay 2. So, dear students, as per your syllabus, we have land of ice and snow, land of hot sands, natural resources, natural disasters, protecting the environment, spreading knowledge, history of medicine. So, these are the chapters which I have given you for your essay 2. So, by covering these chapters, I have prepared a revision worksheet for you. So, I am going to read the questions along with the answers one by one, and the pattern will be you will have fill in the blanks for 5 marks. So I am going to say how the pattern is going to be there for you. So we will send a booklet. It consists of question paper. You need to fill it up and you need to send it. So your as per your question paper pattern, I have given in social science. Fill in the blanks. Match the following. Say true or false. 1 mark questions. 2 mark questions. And 3 to 4 lines sentences marks questions and one map work. So altogether it carries 40 marks. In these 40 marks, 2 marks will be there for your neat and legible good handwriting. So as I said, it's a revision session. So dear students, please go through the video. Along with this, we will be sending you the attached PDF also. So please go through the video. Now we shall begin with the fill in the blanks. The first one I am going to read. Dash is also called the Tundra region. That is freeze zone. So the freeze zone area is also called the Tundra region. Freeze zone spelling FRIGID ZONE. Freeze zone. The first one. Next, the second one is insuits live in the houses made of snow called igloo. IGLOO. That in a sense, the insuits people they were constructing their houses with the help of what? Snow. So as they were made up of snow, their houses were called as igloo. Next, third one. The volcanic eruption is a natural cause of pollution. Which is the natural cause of pollution? Volcanic eruption. VOLCANICERRRUPTION. Volcanic eruption is a natural cause of pollution. Fourth one. Saudi Arabia is rich in what? Petroleum reserves. PETROLEUM. Petroleum. Next, dash are separated from their ores before they can be used. What is that? Minerals. MINERALS. Minerals are separated from their ores before they can be used. Next, dash is an example of alternative sources of energy. That is, solar energy is an example of alternative sources of energy. SOLAR. Solar. Seventh one. An outbreak of diseases on a large scale is called epidemic. EPIDEMIC. Epidemic in the sense when a particular disease is being caused and affected for a larger area or for a large number of people, we call it as epidemic. Next, cyclones are also known as what? Hurricanes, typhoons, we call it as, right? Here you can mention at least one. Hurricanes. Next, dash pollution makes the soil infertility. How the fertility of the soil gets polluted? Through land pollution makes the soil infertile. Next, Riyadh is the capital of which country? Saudi Arabia. Dash is the earliest form of writing. Picture. Before they started the habit of writing, they used to use woodblock printing or the picture based writing. So next, paper in its earliest form was made up of what? Papyrus plant. From the papyrus plant they started making the paper. So, dear students, now we shall move on to the next main, that is match the following. So, Cylon is a person. What he has invented? He has invented the paper. I have given column A and column B in the written paper of your social science subject. In that, match the following. I have given 5, but the revision session we have made it for 10. So hydroelectricity is produced from what? Water. Floods occurs due to excess of water. Third one. Next, oasis, where it is present, underground water comes to the surface of the earth in the desert region, that is oasis. Vaccination is being discovered by whom? Edward Jenner. Next is Mecca. So you all know Mecca is a holy place, and pasteurization, it is discovered by whom? Louis Pasteur. Next, seismograph. Seismograph is being used for what? To identify the earthquake tremor, when it is going to happen. All those things related to earthquake is been measured by what? An instrument called seismograph. Next, fossil fuels. It is a non-renewable. It takes many years to form a fossil fuels. Next, use of fertilizers. If we are going to use more fertilizers to the land, it's going to pollute the land. So it creates land pollution. So dear students, I have read now 10 fill in the blanks and the 10 match the following. Now we shall move on to the 1 mark questions. So in 1 mark questions you will get around 5 questions and each carries 1 mark. So first question we'll see. We'll look into the first question. Answer the following questions in a word or in a sentences each. What is the first question? Where is Greenland located? So the Greenland lies or located in the freezed zone of northern hemisphere. Where it is located? Greenland lies in the freezed zone of northern hemisphere. It is the first question. Where is Greenland located? For this, answer is Greenland located or the lies in the freezed zone of northern hemisphere. Next, name the animals found in Greenland. Which are the animals found we can see in the Greenland? Majorly reindeer, polar bear, musk oxen are found in Greenland. Next question. What are natural resources? So the things which are available in nature that are useful to us, we call it as natural resources, which are created in the nature itself, not by the man-made. So the resources which are the things available in nature that are useful to us is called natural resources. Next, what is cuneiform? Cuneiform is an ancient old system of writing which consists of what? Wedged shaped symbols. Wedge shaped symbols of writing is called cuneiform. Next, fifth one. Name two types of natural resources. The two types of natural resources are, one is renewable and another one is non-renewable. Next, mention some natural disasters that occur in India, like earthquake, floods, droughts, and cyclones. These are the natural disasters which we come across in India or generally happens. Earthquakes, floods, drought, and cyclones. Next question, that is seventh one. What do you understand by pollution? The additional or the excess of any harmful substance or the things which are going to affect the environment, which affects is called pollution. So the additional of any harmful substances to the environment which affects is called pollution, or you can say any harmful substance which causes the environment is called pollution. Who invented the printing press? Johannes Gutenberg has invented the printing press. So, dear students, who has invented the printing press? Johannes Gutenberg has invented the printing press. Now we shall move on to the ninth question, that is, state the meaning of a waste. So the things which that are not of our use, or the things which are not going to make use of further and anymore, are called waste. What are tectonic plates? The Earth's crust is made up of vast plates of solid rocks. What it is made up of? The earth crust, topmost layer of the earth, is made up of vast plates of the solid rocks, that is crust part. consists of solid rocks known as tectonic plates. So, dear students, for your exam pattern of essay 2, I have given 7 means. Out of this, for the tomorrow's revision, I have read fill in the blanks, match the following one word answers. Now we'll look into the say true or false. So, in order to have a homework or revision, let me have a check with you people. How many people of you are going to study and to tell the answers tomorrow? So, say true or false will be as a homework to you. So, I have not written any answers in this. So, let me check tomorrow how many of you are going to be ready to say the true or false. First one. Polluted water is harmful for plants and animals and humans. Is it a true or false? You people have need to answer tomorrow. Burning of waste is one of the ways to manage waste. Third one. China introduced the concept of zero to the world. The earliest known form of printing on a paper was woodblock printing. Is it a true or false? Penicillin was the first antiseptic discovered in the world. Let me see tomorrow from you what answers you will people would say. Ayurveda is a combination of healthy diet, herbs and breathing. Forests prevent soil erosion. Is it true? Riyadh is the largest city of Saudi Arabia. The shaking of the earth is called cyclone. Huskies are used for pulling sledges. So around 10 true or false is been given. You need to check with the answers and let us this would will give it as a homework to you. So tomorrow in your online session we recall once again all the fill in the blanks, match the following, say true or false and one more questions, and please go through the video and do well, prepare well. I am going to ask you the questions tomorrow. Thank you.